Mr. Marvin Shavito Adeyemi, the CEO of Mafitech Expert. I'll be teaching you how to design this particular web page. You can see it's just HTML, CSS, sass, and a little bit of JavaScript. So this is our home page. You can see the home page. So let's go down so that we can glance through it and see what we are going to design in this particular crash course. So let's go. This is the home page. You can see our card. You can see how beautiful it is with aesthetic design. So let's go up. So you can see our contact us here. So let's go down and also see our footer. So you can see our footer has some Google map here that you can use to locate where we reside. So let's go. So you can see our sign up here. You can see this beautiful scaling with animation. So this is the beautiful things we are going to do in this course. So let's scroll up. Let's go to our gallery. So we see our gallery. It's our gallery page. We have the gallery here. You can see the animation of the gallery. So you can also scroll to view different kind of picture. You can see the animation. So let's get rid of this. You can see the animation. So we are going to apply this effect to a particular gallery. So let's go down. It's all about the gallery page. So let's go to about us page. So this is about us page. So as the CEO of Mafitech Expert, so this is about us. You can read more about us. Look at what we are committed about. So I'm going to teach you how to design this particular aesthetic web design. So after then you can move into PHP, how to design the back end, because this is just the front end. So you know how to apply your back end code so that the website can be fully dynamic, so that you can also receive some HTTP requests. So you can see our donation. So this is our donation page. You can see how beautiful it is. So you can see our mission, vision. So this is where we apply JavaScript on. You can see one time choose amount. You can see one time, monthly, and annually. So when you over, you can see. So when you click monthly, yes, monthly will be selected. Annually will be selected. So that is cool about that. So I'll teach you how to do this with JavaScript. No any other extension, no Bootstrap, just JavaScript and sass. So CSS. So that is what we use to design this website. So let's go to our login. So you can see our login page. So this is our login page. So I will teach you how to use the placeholder drop down. So you can see the email there. So when we start typing, you can see the email here. Now the underline here in the input box, you can see is in brown color. So when we start entering inputs, if it is valid, it will become green. But if it is not valid, it will still remain that brown color. So let's type now. Type, you can see it's still, but if I put at Yahoo, you can see it will become green because you understand it as what as email address. So I'll teach you how to do that validity. So that validation, I'll teach you how to do that. And again, I'll also teach you how to do the placeholder drop down. So you can see that there's something here. When it's not active, you can see there is nothing here when it's not active. or selected. So let me be selected now. Let's, if I type something, they will see the email, which is the placeholder, will drop down and become the 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 feed name. So let's see, you can see the email now has dropped down. You can see email there, so which is the label. So you click. When we delete, it will disappear. When we type, it will appear. So I'll teach you how to do that placeholder drop down. You can see the same thing with password, disappear. So when we type password, appear, disappear, appear. So I'll teach you how to do that placeholder drop down. So let's go to our last, which is our last page, which is the setup or the sign up page. So let's click. So this is our sign up page, you can see. So I'll also teach you how to this. When we hover, you can see display this color. So this particular site is an awesome website. So you can see the animation here, scaling and scrolling at the same time. So you can see the effect of this animation, scale and opacity. So I will also teach you how to do that, so that you can design this beautiful website for this particular course. So I will see you as